Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Terrain SLE Ebony Twilight Metallic paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 1.5-liter turbo paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes having heated seats, forward collision alert, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel next to your power liftgate controls, power windows, mirrors, and locks. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have some interior and exterior lighting control with your electronic parking brake. Black cloth bucket seats with power controls located on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings and your forward collision alert, while the right has voice recognition and directional controls for the screen in front of you, which has plenty of information and vehicle maintenance screens that you can scroll through. The entertainment display has your audio. This will be AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. You have phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, as well as wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A few more radio controls just below the screen. Dual zone climate control has your temperature gauge, fan speed, and air conditioning controls. This is located just above the shifter. Below the shifter, you have a storage compartment at the front with a few outlets for you to use. Dual cup holder just in front of your drive mode selector and your heated seats. You also have your lane keep assist and hill descent control here. Storage compartment just under the center console at the front there. You can open that up for even more storage space on the inside. Up top, you have the rear view mirror. Of course, you also have some interior lighting controls above you and the sunglasses holder at the front. Just in front of the passenger, you have a small storage compartment above the glove box, so there's a bit of storage space in the front of the vehicle if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that Ebony Twilight Metallic paint, the red GMC emblem in the center of the black grille, LED headlamps, black aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, paint-matched mirror caps, paint-matched door handles with keyless entry. At the back, you have the red GMC emblem in the center of the liftgate with the black Terrain and all-wheel drive name badges in the corner. We'll open up the power liftgate here. You have plenty of storage space in the back with tethering locations on the backs of the seats. Smaller compartments on either side for a little bit of extra space. The floor panel will lift up, giving you even more storage space underneath. And when you're all done, you can use the button on the bottom of the liftgate, the controls on the key, or the controls on the driver door panel to close the liftgate. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have that same jet black color scheme you had in the front, magazine holder on the back of the passenger seat, black cloth seating. The center folds down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You have the shoulder handles on the sides of the seats here. You can pull that to bring the seat forward, giving you way more storage space in the back. And on the back of the center console, you will find a couple of outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Terrain SLE. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.